This time we are going to make a pajama. So I'm showing you how we are going to take the body measurement and we'll make a block. So you need all this like paper pattern. That's what we are going to make it. Pajama. Yeah. That's figure shows how we are going to measure it. All this. And then you have to write this, all the measurement, and calculate before you start making your pattern. So you don't have the handout, so you can write in your writing and take the measurement, so it's easy to make a block. Okay, now we are going to do the body measurement. So make sure you take the body measurement whom you are making for, eyes for the children or for you. So that's the measurement we need. So first we need the waist measurement, and we are working on inch, not centimeter. So make sure your measure tape is in inch. So you measure your waist where you are wearing your trousers. So just hold it like that and measure it and write it down. So it's 36 waist. Write your measurement. So I measured the waist. So my waist is 36. Yeah. Now I'm going to measure the hips. So again, you go around. If you can't do by yourself, you can ask somebody to do it. But you can do with your, so just hold it not too tight, not too loose. And when you see them, you put your finger there and it's 40. Can you say it? It's 40, yeah? So you write here 40 inch. Now length. Length is where you are going on the waist till down. So put your measure tape there, and what length you want, you go down and look at it. If this is like my floor, so it's 34 inch length. Yeah, so you write 34. Okay, flare is the bottom part where you want, how you want your leg wider. So depend what you want. So if you want this much, you can put it that much. And it's 13, 1, 3. Now crutch, you have to sit down and measure from waist to the bottom where you are sitting. And then you add extra. So this, I'll show you. You sit right up there and put your measure tape there and end of the seat where you are sitting. So then you hold it. So it's 9 plus 2. So it's 11. So that's how you take your measurement. After taking the measurement, you have to calculate. Yeah, 36, waist is 36 divided by 3. So what's your answer? You put it there. So if you don't know, you can do here. 36 divided by 3 is 1, 12. So you just put here 12 there. And for hips, again, you'll do same. Divide by 3. So 40 divided by 3, 1, 3, 10. So when you get point here, that will go up. So it comes to 0.5. Yeah. So it's 13.5. In length, you have to add 4 inch. 2 inch for the top for folding here on the waist, and 2 inch for folding here. So altogether is 4 inch. Flare is 13 divided by 2. That's simple. Plus 1. 7.5. Now crutch is the middle part. If you look at here, it goes from here to here. It's called middle part or a crutch. So 11 plus 2, 13. So you have to add twice 2 here and then again 2. So that's what your measurement is now. So we are going to cut on the paper. So you need a paper, pattern paper. So I'm going to show you how you can do it when you are starting your making your pattern, yeah? If you don't have this white paper, you can use your newspaper and you can sellotape. So first we start with the length. So get your measure tape here, yeah, and look at your length. I'll put it up so you can see them, yeah. So your length is 34 plus 4 is 38. So I'm going to put my measure tape on the top here, yeah, and I'm going to do down, and I'm looking at 38. So that's my, so either you can use a marker or pencil to mark there. Plus 4, 34 plus 4 is 38. So from the beginning of the paper and you go down till there and you measure 38. If you want to write it, you can write it down. Okay, so in the corner you can write W1. Yeah. So on the corner you put W1. Yeah. From W1 to W2 you look at your waist. Yeah. So I'll put my measure tape right up there and I'm going to measure my waist is 12. Yeah. So that I'll put W2. Why I'm using word W? Because that's represent the waist. Okay. Now from waist you'll go down. So you need your measurement of the crotch. So from here to here you go straight. Yeah. And you measure a crotch is 13. Yeah. So you go down, mark 13, and we'll say C because of the crotch. Yeah. Then you'll joint a line. Make sure it's straight line. Now we are going to draw the hip line. We don't have a hip line, but where is C is your hip line. So you draw like that and you mark H1 and H2 is the hip, 13.5. So you put your measure tape there, measure here 13.5, yeah, and put H2. Now you go down, you know where you have marked your 38, you can draw a line and you put F1 to F2, 7.5. So from F1 to F2, you go like that and it's 7.5. So you put here F2. When you have done that, now you have to joint. So you cut it. And then you fold 2 inch. So you're going to measure 2 inch and fold. Why we are folding? This is your bottom fold. So you'll fold this like that. If you forget to fold, don't worry, because then your leg is quite wide. You will have enough room to fold. So from here to here, 7.5, F2. Now we are going to joint so you joint H2 to F2, yeah, and that's the inside leg. Okay, now from the C corner you just give 1 inch and make a round shape. That's your C. You just go around like that. And half of W1 to C is O. Yeah. So you're going to joint H2, joint it and make a O and make a round shape, which is your crutch shape. And this is your front. So we are going to draw the back. So what you'll need, you have to cut this first. Yeah. Because back is different than the front. You can see your front pattern now, and you'll make a back. So again you're going to use same paper, so you're going to put your pattern again there. So you need to leave 1.5 inch on the top. Can you see that? Okay, make sure you put it straight like that and you measure 1.5 inch on the top. And I'm going to use a different color so you can see it's back and the front. So that's 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So the middle part will continue. So you'll do 1.5 all the way. Okay, I'm putting my front there. So I'm going to cut this line. See, I mark it, so I left this there. I'm going to follow my orange line, you can see them, and that's my 1.5 inch extra here again. So make sure it's right. From here to here, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So you'll have your orange pencil. You just follow it. Now you are going to follow the first one which you have already cut. Okay, so the blue color is your front, and you can see the orange color. Yeah, this is your back. Yes, when you want to make a pajama, you are going to use this one, the back. Yeah. So you'll cut it all the way around. And next session, I'm going to show you how you are going to place this on the material. So next week I'm going to show you how you are going to cut on the material. So make sure by next week your pattern is ready so we can work it out and the material you need 2.5 yard, and pins and measure tape and scissors. Thank you.